Have you ever said the immortal words, "Oh, I love that quilt, but I'd do it in different colors"? Well, today I'm going to show you how to organize your pattern. I've picked out a pattern from AQS blog. This is Summer Star by Betsy Langford, but I want it to look a little more wintry. So I've gone ahead and recolored it in my colors, and I've picked out fabrics to go with it. Now, as I go to sew this, I've got patterns that are talking about corals and teals, but mine are like purples and blues and tans. So if I relabel my pattern, it's gonna be a lot easier for me to follow along and not get confused. To get started, I've gathered some supplies. I've got a pencil, a marker, some sticky notes, my pattern, and my colors. I've gone ahead and labeled my pattern, just beginning at the top of the fabric requirements and working my way down, A through, looks like went all the way to I on this one. And then I've marked on my original pattern what letter that is. So I have that light teal is letter A. And so then I'm going to go find it on my new colorway. And it looks like it's that light purple white there. So I can mark that one A. And then on my sticky note, I'm going to write an A, and I'm going to put it on the corresponding fabric. And then I'm going to do the same for B. I see it's this center star, which makes it this medium purple. And for mine, that's this beautiful swirly fabric. And then I carry on like that for the rest of the fabrics. I hope you've had fun getting organized with us. Be sure to check back for more videos in this organizational series. Thanks for watching.